Okay. Hello, Shaurya.
Prayer, they are
Hello,
praying now, that's
hello,
why
brother.
she has muted. Yeah, hello, Shaurya.
Hello, Bharat. Hello,
Hi,
Lakshmi.
bro.
How are you, bro?
What do you think? I'm good. I'm good. Thank you, man. What about you?
I am also good. I am beginner.
Yeah, I'm also I'm also not fluent in English. Yeah, I'm also practicing English.
Uh,
So you can speak.
Today
No
I
worry.
download this app,
Mhm. Okay. Everyone is
first
just
day in this
here
app.
for practicing English. Yeah.
So if I made any mistake, then you can correct me.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. So we are talking about social
And what
media.
are you
What
doing?
What do you think? What do you
Okay,
think?
okay.
Is it bad or good?
I think it is good
Good in
because
what sense? Why
uh,
Why you feel it's good?
look, I am a student and I learn everything. Mostly in my subject, I learn from YouTube and other source from video lectures.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah,
That's
Good,
a
good.
great point. But what about Instagram,
uh,
Facebook?
yeah. When I study in YouTube, I also started watching shorts video. Also, this is a distraction for me. Uh,
Hmm.
Mhm.
Yeah.
That is
so
the biggest distraction, you know.
Hmm.
uh, yeah, yeah.
Actually,
Um,
we want to learn from YouTube, but we end up with watching that reels. That is the very
yes.
biggest thing. I mean, very lot of time, like you can say, almost uh, people's
And
mostly
when I
like 90% of their time just like they spend in watching reels.
start watching short video, then I don't know how my time gone. Means
Yeah, it's for
sometimes
everyone.
I scrolled for more than an hour in
Hmm.
short video,
Yes.
just scrolling, and
When we
after
look at
that,
the watch,
after 1 year or
then
more,
only. Hmm.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah. When we look at the watch, then only we
what?
come to know how much time we have wasted.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Yes. Then I suddenly
It's like a
realized that
dopamine. Na?
how much time I wasted in this video. Yeah,
Hmm.
Mm. It's the effect of dopamine. Like whenever we are trying to watch first reel, our mind
Hmm.
get excited, so
yes.
we just try to scroll the things.
Yeah.
Hello, hello,
This also destroying our
hello.
focus also.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hello is here. Hello. Hi.
Hello. What
Hmm.
kind of name is this? Yeah.
Hello. Then,
Hello,
Where are you
hi.
from? Hello.
This is very funny.
Lakshmi, you are from
Hello.
South India, right?
Yeah, I am from South India.
So, and Bharat, you?
I'm from Maharashtra, bro. Currently living in Pune.
So I am from Madhya Pradesh,
From
Hmm. Where are you
Okay.
from? Hello.
Bhopal.
Hmm.
Hello, you can speak.
Good
Don't.
evening, everyone. I am from east
Good
part of
evening.
India. My state name is Odisha.
Odisha. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
So this,
Odisha.
wow.
Mm-hmm.
that's great.
Nice,
Odisha.
nice. So,
Can I
which
ask one?
city?
Can I ask one question? Hello,
Yes, you can.
why you choose this name? Hello, hi.
Yeah, it is a good question because if you write different unique name, then people they judge you, evaluate you like a spoken English, right?
Yeah, that's okay. But whenever I want to whenever I want to call you, like, how can I
Hmm.
call you? It's like hello. Hello
Y-
means like
you call me
it.
hello, then
You
I
might
will tell you hi. Okay?
Oh my
Oh,
God.
your reply will be high.
Yep.
Wow.
Okay. What do you do? Hello?
I don't do anything. I'm super duper unemployed. What about you?
Are you
क्या
looking
बात
for
है?
job? Are you looking for job?
Yep.
Oh,
Okay. How
That's
long have
great
you
to
been
answer.
searching for job?
I have been searching for job for long time, but I don't have knowledge idea about it. That's why I don't get any type of job. I think so.
Tell me one thing. What kind of job you are looking for?
I am appearing all type of competitive exam, state exam,
Do
SSC,
Oh,
banking.
don't prepare
okay.
for everything. Just prepare for one thing, like that you want to achieve. Not
You
do not try to
Hmm.
get all the things.
You are right. I accept your idea and suggestion, but if I focus long time one pattern, then maybe I lead my frustration. Then I want to evaluate and I want to observe what that type of exam and it maybe connect each other. Then I get idea and
Hmm.
I want to know about how to appear that exam and complete that question answer within short period. I want to practice on my way. That's why I
Hmm.
am
Hmm.
Yeah, you
appearing.
can practice for only one exam. Only one exam. If you are taking like only one exam and practicing for that, then you can clear it
You are right,
in very
but
short time.
this day some exam is a online exam, right? Some are manual exam.
Hmm.
Then I want to means how to appear that question answer within short period. What the examiner provided that timing. That's why I want to practice.
You
That's it.
That's
okay?
yeah,
You
yeah.
want to
That's it.
speed up?
Got that.
You want to speed up your answering? Means you want
Yeah.
to practice more and more by attending the exams.
Right.
Hmm.
You want to gain the experience.
Yeah, you are right.
Okay.
Yes.
Then I
Hmm.
get
So
within short period, if you have
if you
a
want
200 question answer or 100 question answer and you get a
Hmm.
3 hours time, then within 3 hours you have to appear if it doesn't have any minus marking, then I
Hmm.
want to do it. Or if you have any minus marking, then we know about how to explain and how to
Hmm.
solve that issue and critical question
Hmm.
within short period, right? If you don't appear any exam, how to get that idea and formula, right? And if you
Hmm.
always practice manually, hard copy pen paper, or if you sit any online exam, how you crack. That's why I want to get experience about it.
Actually, now these days the vacancies are coming very less. Less vacancies are coming. That is only the reason people are getting frustrated. They are preparing, but there is no vacancy to attend any exam, to prepare and attend the exams.
Yeah, government cannot provide all student to all seat, right? Government guideline is a different because they have a limited seat. And
Hmm.
employee, if they get retirement, then they
Hmm.
announce any vacancy, but all year student come out thousand lakh and million in India, right?
Hmm.
But we only try it. If you succeed, it's okay. Otherwise we have to get different option on our hand, right? We have to keep
Hmm.
our goal like a English alphabet, A to Z. If you fail goal A, then
Hmm.
you have to jump into B, and if you fail B, then you have to jump into C. Then you have to make a
Hmm.
road map and you have to make a to-do
Hmm.
list. If you want to crack
Hmm.
within short period, then you have to do hard work according to your profession, right? If you
Yeah.
did hard work, then that is a you can say when you study, that's when we did hard work within normally as a subject, right? And we have to get degree and we have to get mark percentage. We do that kind of hard work. But if you want to appear any competitive exam, then you have to do hard work triple time, multiple time. If you have a vacancy 30 on your state exam and student applied 5 lakhs, then you have to divide 5 lakh into how many days you have to appear that exam. Then you calculate how much time you have to do hard work, 16 hours, 20 hours, or 24 hours, or 5 hours. It depends upon you. But you also know about how many student applied that exam and how many seat in there and how many you have to do hard work. You have to calculate. Then you think yourself, right?
Yes.
Then it is easy for you because we have to make a roadmap. Not like a we appear this year, we appear next year, we appear that year. But we have to do roadmap. Then it is easy for us to get that job, right?
How much time do you spare for studies?
Maximum time I spend study, even though in morning time I don't come online in Hello Talk. I don't use. Sometime I use before means 9 or something, or I
Hmm.
spend time 8 or 9 hours per day.
Oh, you are
That's great.
sparing a lot of time. Great, great.
Because I never
But
touch the Hello Talk. I never ever touch Hello Talk. I come this
Hmm.
time and I go any VR or any group, and or I if I want to chat with any stranger, unknown people, I
Hmm.
chat with them. And I want to means typist also required speed typing, right? Then I want to speed
Hmm.
type with. If I want to chat with someone, then I increase improve my speed typing, right?
Hmm.
Then not only one thing, we have to focus all kind of strategy, not only one, right?
Yeah, yeah. Listening, writing, speaking, every skill you need.
Even though you see, if you want to talk about language, language
Hmm.
always takes 5 skill. I am talking about well educated people, like reading,
Hmm.
writing, listening, speaking, and thinking, right?
Hmm.
And it require determination, devotion, dedication, consistencies, habit, self motivation. Those kind of
Hmm.
ingredient required to enhance your language. If you take two skill like listening and speaking, I, and you never do reading, writing, and thinking, then it will take time to speak better English, right?
Hmm.
You can speak, but
Yeah.
it will take time, right? Or if you do file skill for day and every day, daily, like a drill exercise, you have a roadmap, then definitely you can speak within short period. That's why language is just like a swimming. If you and driving, if you want to learn swimming, how to swimming, you have to jump into water. If you want to learn how to driving, you have to sit on the driver's seat. Then you can driving and you can swimming. Otherwise it is not. And language doesn't take any degree, percentage, any score. Even though you see who are illiterate people, they can speak fluent English, they can drive truck and tractor. And who has double degree on their hand, they cannot drive four wheeler and truck and tractor, and they cannot speak fluent in front of anyone. Lack of practice and lack of judgment. And they have a fear, inside fear. They don't ready to lose their dignity, self esteem. They always think I have a double degree. If I make mistake, what they people think about me, right? That is a big issue.
Hello, Joy.
Hasty.
Yeah, hello, hi.
Hi. How are you?
Where are you from, bro?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, fine.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chennai.
Which one?
Chennai.
Chennai. Okay, great.
Where are you from?
I'm from Maharashtra.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Go on.
So what's going on?
We
No,
are
she's
talking
just
about
talking about
robots.
strategies. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
strategies about exam. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah, please go ahead. I'm
So
so
what do you
sorry
do?
to jump in between.
No, it's
I'm
okay.
working.
What do you do?
I'm working.
Okay. What kind of work you do?
I'm an engineer. I'm into petroleum industry.
Wow, that's good. Like it's booming now, right now, or it's going to like in future. What is the future of that? The petroleum engineer.
It's, I, there is quite a lot of fluctuation in the market. But future looks bright as always. I mean, you cannot,
Yeah, that's
you
what I'm
cannot
trying to say.
deviate
As
from the.
like mhm.
Yes, please go on.
As
You're
chemical
saying
engineer
something.
are booming. Chemical engineer are booming. Like everyone is saying that like in future there will be like more need of having the chemical engineer. So that's why I'm
Mm-hmm.
saying it's like it's booming. I think
Are you a chemical engineer?
just like a data scientist. No. I'm a data scientist.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sure.
Yeah, there will be need in future for the like